Powerful computers are enabling us to do things beyond our imagination. From coding to graphic design, everything has become faster and easier than before. Computer manufacturers are continuously improving their computer performance, and as a result, that we have got high-performing gaming laptops intended for high processing power users. These high-power computing engines usually come with modern processors, top graphical processing units, and high-resolution screens. It's known that ASUS, the renowned computer manufacturer, has introduced some fantastic gaming laptops in the market. Dear subscribers, today we've selected ASUS TUF 17.3-inch FHD gaming laptop computer for you.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. ASUS TUF 17.3-inch FHD gaming laptop is a stylish and uniquely designed laptop, and the design is an excellent representation of game lovers. It comes with a 17.3-inch diagonal IPS Full HD widescreen LED display. The screen produces great color and brightness, perfect for gaming and graphical works. The visual output of the screen is bright and colorful because the laptop has a dedicated 4GB DDR5 video memory along with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics processor unit. Advanced GPU ensures a fast and vivid gaming experience for the users. ASUS TUF 17.3-inch FHD gaming laptop has got a powerful 2.3 GHz AMD Ryzen 7 3570H quad-core processors, and the processor has a burst frequency up to 4 GHz. The ultra-fast processor ensures speedy command processing to secure efficient high-power computing. The processor is aided by 8GB 2400 MHz DDR4 memory that makes multitasking smoother and faster. The laptop is equipped with 512GB flash storage, which provides faster access to save files compared to the regular HDD. Windows 10 is the default operating system that has got all essential software installed for the user. The laptop comes with a powerful battery. It lasts for 5 hours once fully charged. It has got excellent connectivity features including USB Type-C, USB 3.0, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other elements of a modern computer. If you're looking for a high-performing laptop for playing games and graphical works, then ASUS TUF 17.3-inch FHD gaming laptop could be a great portable engine for you. ASUS laptops have a good reputation in the market, and we expect this particular purpose laptop will not be an exception. The computer has got 4.5 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 69 user ratings on Amazon, which suggests that the laptop is highly recommended by the users. It's received a good score for screen brightness, gaming performance, battery life, and screen quality. Here are some comments from customers. One person gave 5 stars and commented, "According to Passmark, this laptop's Ryzen 7 processor is only 3% faster than the i7 processor in my old laptop. Yet this laptop feels like it's 5 times faster. I'm guessing there's more to the story than just CPU throughput, like the bandwidth of the AMD chipset drivers." Another user has given 5 stars and wrote, "This laptop performs extremely well. When plugged in, your gaming performance is what you would expect for the hardware. Thermals are handled well, and by far my favorite thing is the panel. It has great colors and brightness, very sharp. The darks are not great, but that's more to do with backlight and panel type." Some customers were dissatisfied due to technical issues. Among them, one person gave 1 star and commented, "This is so dumb. First day I buy it, I play Rainbow Six Siege. The next day I come to play it, it won't turn on. I spent $800 on this computer. I expect to get a computer that lasts more than 1 day. Not happy." That's all we have on the ASUS TUF 17.3-inch FHD gaming laptop for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.